To understand OpenClaw, I would request you to visit their website itself, the official website, openclaw.ai. This is the best way we learn any tool or technology, right? So, what is OpenClaw, right? OpenClaw is an open source AI automation layer that connects to existing LLMs like OpenAI or Gemini, Anthropic, Gemini, or OpenRouter. The open LLM system that we use, it connects. It does not have its own AI model, right? It does not own its own any AI model. Make a note, this is very important. It is a control and automation system. This is the simplest definition of OpenClaw. I hope you. It's more of a personal AI assistant which runs on an individual system outside of any internet or network. It runs on your own local machine. It's lightweight. OpenClaw is a lightweight, and this is the another advantage because it does not demand too much of your computing power. How it differs from ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, as we all exposed to as a first LLM, you ask, it responds, and conversation ends, right? Whereas OpenClaw, persistent session, can schedule tasks, can run continuously, can execute actions, means it has a capability to create schedule for you. It can expand this capability through his skills. We will discuss further. Okay. Plus, this is a difference between what is ChatGPT or OpenClaw as an example. Now, core architecture. User is sitting on top. Then it has OpenClaw gateway itself. That it has LLM provider, and base is his skills. That's it is the OpenClaw core architecture. The architecture flows from the user through the OpenClaw gateway. Okay, we are going to see it practically, but this is the architecture of the system. LLM provider is the base, and then because it provides all the LLM capability, and its baseline is the skills, right? This is very important, which finally into schedule task, right? So this is the core architecture of OpenClaw. Key features: persistent domino behavior, as an example, cron scheduling, skill-based capability extension, API integration, and local deployment options. So these are the key features of OpenClaw. Okay, I hope you understand. We are going to see everything practically, but it is also important to know the features, architecture, base. If you read more about OpenClaw, you will be able to understand what its capabilities are. Okay, I hope you are with me. Let's proceed.